Hello class 6. We have completed chapter number 1 and 2. As you know that we have reduced your syllabus. So chapter number 3 and 4 are not come in your syllabus. Now I will start from chapter number 5, presentation visual effects. Presentation is the part of MS Office. MS Office contains MS Word is used to type the letters. MS Excel is used to make spreadsheets, and MS PowerPoint is used to make PowerPoint presentation. We will start from chapter number 5. MS PowerPoint is a part of the MS Office package that allows the user to create a presentation with multimedia effects. Presentation. It is a systematic display of information along with graphics, movies, sounds, etc. that are displayed on the screen. It consists a number of slides. These presentations are very useful in the teaching learning process, seminars, in office presentation, etc. Now slides. Slides are the individual pages of a PowerPoint presentation which are displayed one by one on the screen to communicate information to the audience. Now how to open a presentation file? First we go File. After that we will select the Backstage view. Then we will start to enter our data. Slideshow. It is an electronic presentation displayed on the computer screen with multimedia effects. These presentations are very useful in the teaching learning process, demonstrations, seminars, etc. Now there are 4 PowerPoint views. MS PowerPoint provides different views to help while making a presentation. First is normal view. It is the most common view used for working and making presentation. In normal view, we can add text and pictures as well as create notes. We can add the effects also. By default, a presentation displays the normal view and the first slide of the presentation. When we will start the PowerPoint presentation, by default the normal view display on the screen. Next is slide sorter view. In this view we can see all the slides of our presentation on the screen at a reduced scale. We cannot add text and pictures in this view, but we can change the order of the slides, delete slides and add transition effects. If we want to replace first slide with 9 slides, then we can do in slide sorter view. Third is outline view. It displays the text of multiple slides in outline form. To organize the structure of the presentation with the help of outline view, means we can organize the structure of our presentation, and we can give the effect to the text by the outline view. Reading view. This slide view is especially designed for reading the contents of the presentation, and it's shown only one slide at a time. In this view, we can see all the slides one by one, but we cannot work on our slide in this view. We can work in normal slide view or in outline view. Next is inserting pictures in a slide. A picture speaks 1,000 words. Inserting pictures can help make your presentation look attractive by providing illustrations along with the textual matter. Now I am telling you how to insert a pictures in a slide. We go insert, then we'll select pictures from here. Suppose I am taking these pictures, then take this picture, insert, and this picture will come here. You will reduce the size of the picture, then you will do here. Now I am telling you use of media clips. In PowerPoint presentation, media clips are the audio and video files that are widely used in the slides. These clips make the slide presentation more comprehensive and informative for the viewers. Same way we can insert audio clips to a slide. The system allows us to add music or sound of a slide to make the presentation more effective. Same way we will go insert. Then if we want to sound from file, you can sound from file from here. Play CD audio track you can do. Record, you can record your own sound also, and you can take the clip sound from clip organizers. Next is inserting audio clips to a slide. The system allows us to add video clips. This is not audio, this is video clips. Video the system allows us to add videos files to a slide to make the presentation more effective. Same way you will go insert, then you will select any video from there and you will insert that video here. Same way you can insert the photos from the photo album. If you have any photos in your album, you can insert that photo also here. No photo is here now. This is the PowerPoint presentation. In my next video, I will explain you the slide transition. Now I am telling you some more functions of PowerPoint. Suppose we have opened a new page, then this type of page will come. You can add your title here and you can add your text here. If you want to insert table, you can insert table here. Suppose I have add table DVES, Doon Valley Public School, and features I have add here. And now I want to change the background of this, so that we will go design, and any design we can pick from this. If I have taken this design, then this design will come. Any design we can change. This type of design will come. You can choose any design which you want. In insert, we can add word art also here, like this. Here you will write your text. You can reduce the size of this. You can write here, and you can add the shapes also. Any shapes you can. If you want this type of shapes, you can write this type of arrow will also come. Any shape which you want. Star shape you want to insert this shape. Then you will change the color of this shape also. Go to shape fill. Then you can choose any color from here which you want. You can take the texture also. Any texture you can take. Here this I also want to gradient also, pictures also you can from here, texture also. Suppose I have taken this type of activity we can do in this slides also. And this is the, we can change the view also. View, this is the normal view which I am doing. This is the slide sorter view. In slide sorter view all slides will come here. This is a notes page view, one slide will come here, and this is slideshow like this. If you want to stop it, press escape key, then you can change the view also. When in normal view all slides will come here also. This is first, second, third, fourth slides are. Then insert, you can insert table also here, any table you want. Now 5 column and 2 rows. This is the table. There is 1 2 3 4 5 columns and 1 2 rows are here. You can write your text also in the here. You go. Now this is the center view, and now in this you will write the subject. This is physics, this is chemistry, this is bio, computer, and this is maths. If you want to change the rest in capital letter, you can do in capital letter. Any correction you will do. Now if you want to increase the size of this table, you can increase this also. This size you can increase also. Now you will write the numbers. You can change the color also of this text. Here you can change the colors, which color you want. More color also here. You can choose any color, then OK. Color will be changed. You can change the font also here. Suppose you want to change the font, and area black you have taken. You want to change the size also. You can increase the size. You want to italic also, you can do italic, underline you can do. All these functions which we are doing in MS Word, that function we can do in PowerPoint also. Now you will complete your work and submit me on time. Hope you will do. You will not disappoint me. Thank you.